On today's exciting episode, we're going to be doing something kind of cool with this. It's already made. I just did it. What we're going to be blowing up, this vacuum cleaner. It's old. It don't work very well. I'm going to blow it the fuck up. So I got the GoPro here. What am I going to be using? A 308. I got a sight in the 308. So the GoPro is going to be plugged in so it doesn't die. And once we sight in the 308, I'm going to tape this to the vacuum cleaner and blow it to kingdom come. So please enjoy. Also, the video will also be on TikTok of it just blowing up. And the link to that will be in the comment section below.